The Paws allocation is finally here. This is what every one of us have been waiting for this long, and finally the allocation has finally dropped. So check your allocation right now. And for those of us that have been having issue to check, maybe you try logging in and they said you are not eligible, check again, okay? Because I had that kind of experience few hours ago, but now everything have been solved. We see the Paws team coming out to say that was a technical issue. So you can check your allocation right now. If you look at my here, what I have was 415.2k Paws, and I have 580 W Paws. So if I go to this very hamburger sign as usual, and if you come there, then click on this very claim button, my Paws balance 415.2k, and I'm on the legend level. You see the W Paws 580, and I minted 0 voucher because I'm not interested in any of those stuff. And if I click next right here, you will see my Paws allocation. So my Paws total allocation is 78,248 Paws token that I have right here. And as you can see, the claim button is not active yet, but I believe from the look of things, by next week, okay, this claim button should be active and we should prepare for listing early March. This is my opinion. Early March, this thing should happen. We should get this done, and we should know what this very token translates into in terms of dollar value. So the allocation have been finally done right now, and the TGE is just around the corner. Claim button will be active once TGE is done, and the next thing will be listing on major exchanges once this claim button becomes very active, and we are expecting something very big from this very particular one, and also the Zoo airdrop. So this is very important, guys. And one other important thing here is we don't know what the total and max supply of this token is. The Paws team have not disclosed this, but we are looking at 100 billion token, okay? Because as you can see, the allocation across board is significant. So personally, I'm looking at 100 billion token, and this is what some other persons are looking at as well. So with this 100 billion, we can do a price prediction so that we can know the dollar value of our respective allocation. What is your Paws allocation? Comment below in the comment section of this very video. Do you believe it was a fair play? Do you believe that the token was not allocated based on merit, and you were supposed to receive more allocation? So comment below in the comment section of this very video. This is mine right here, and this is super important. The listing is just around the corner. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe if you have not, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Join our Telegram channel, the link in the description and also in the pinned comment. Thanks for your support.